What's the meaning of autocratically? Autocratically. Autocratically.
Autocratically. Autocratically. The word autocratically refers to a leadership style where all decisions are made by one person without consulting others. This approach can result in a lack of diversity in perspectives and ideas, as well as a sense of disillusionment among team members who feel left out of the decision-making process. Autocratic leaders may also become isolated from their followers, leading to a breakdown in communication and trust. Ultimately, autocratic leadership can hinder teamwork, stifle innovation, and limit overall productivity and success.